I can see clearly now the rain is gone. All blockages are being removed.
Hey, y'all, hey. What's going on today? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Like any other day, I'm not going to play your energy. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to get right to the message. With that being said, I'm going to get a feel for the energy, and we're going to go from there. Okay, y'all, so my first three cards that came out are the Tower, Judgment, and Death.
You're listening to Self Radio.
That's never happened before. But this symbolizes something happening very quickly or suddenly. Some type of judgment. Swifty. A big change, a life change. Taylor Swift is significant. Maybe her lifestyle is significant. You may be coming into a lot of money. What's going on with the Five of Cups? You may have been very disappointed in your life a lot before this stage. I feel like people, how do you say it? I feel like a lot of people in your life sold you a lot of wolf tickets. Okay. A lot about being able to do things or provide something, and they couldn't. You may also be one that can't really talk to others about their emotions, their feelings, what's going on in their life, because a lot of people around you are snakes, and they just gonna go and tell the next person and the next person. Then next thing you know, everybody know your dang business. Okay. But I feel like now that you came into yourself, this confident person who is in control of themselves,
You're listening to Self Radio.
you're coming into this leadership energy, respectable energy. You're fully in control of what's going on in your life. What's going on here with this Nine of Swords? People wanted you to be in this anxious energy, this depressed energy. Insomnia may be significant here. They wanted you to be stuck in this energy so you cannot succeed or move on in your life. This person was very possessive over your energy, over you as well, as if you were their property, okay? They felt like this was a good investment. This was planned. White SUVs could be significant. This was planned. I feel like this person knew you or knew of you before you knew them. They may have stalked or watched you, or social media may be significant. But now you see through you see through their mess.
You're listening to Self Radio.
So either you left or you're preparing to leave. I feel like you've been contemplating about this for a while. Monitoring spirits are significant. Michael Jackson's watching me is significant. Anything else? The Strength. And the Knight of Wands. You chose yourself here. Confirmation. 3 o'clock or 300 could be significant. You chose yourself here. You chose respect. You chose unconditional love for yourself. Okay, so you're pursuing things that make you happy, that raise your vibration. Okay. You're choosing not to cage yourself. This person wanted you to be okay with being in a cage. This person also may have an attitude problem. Like when stuff don't go their way, they have temper tantrums. I'm checking if that was too many. What else is here? What else is here, please? The Knight of Cups. And the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So as you're moving on to this great accomplishment, this great achievement, they're moving fairly quickly into poverty.
You're listening to Self Radio.
Pestilence. I feel like this person is going to be sick and poor. And alone. Well, okay. I don't know what to say about that. That's what happens when you try to stop God's peoples from doing what they're supposed to do, from living the life they're supposed to live. That's your karma. 7 of Swords. Yeah. They wanted you to believe that they were here for you or they were meant for you when they were not. This is given. I keep feeling this energy. Selena and her best friend. So this person may be close to you that wants to take you out, or is jealous of your success or your gifts, or you in general, your aura. Okay? Anything else? Now I'm hearing that Lion King song. Deception, disgrace. I don't know the rest of the song. That's just what the part that I hear. Yeah, they have no intuition. They're so far in their lower chakra that they're cut off from the divine. They also got some secrets. Confusion. Maybe sexuality. I don't know. But that's all I have for you today. I wish you an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, gratitude for listening.